getting on very good. Lovely day, great weather, an awful lot to see, and it's wonderful.
We're having a fabulous day.
Really?
Isn't it? Look, what else could you ask for?
No.
World ploughing from Wexford, Mr. Martin Kehoe up here. What else could we ask for?
Done very well. I'm enjoying it immensely. I have been in the Heineken tent there, and I have done the jives and all that with the great band that's there.
Jeez, I'm after spending enough now today I could take out tomorrow.
So much to see, it's fantastic. So much variety, and we were here yesterday, we're here today, and we'll be here again tomorrow.